natural health for beginners.
Cold cream is a classic skincare product that has been used for centuries to cleanse, moisturize, and nourish the skin. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, want to remove makeup gently, or just need an extra layer of hydration, this homemade cold cream is perfect for you. What you'll need: half a cup of beeswax, 1 cup of almond oil or olive oil, half a cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of rosewater, optional for a soothing scent, a few drops of essential oil, optional for added fragrance, a small heat-proof bowl, a whisk or hand mixer, and a glass jar with a lid for storage. Step-by-step instructions. Melt the beeswax. Start by placing the beeswax in a heat-proof bowl. Create a double boiler by placing the bowl over a pot of simmering water. Gently heat the beeswax until it's completely melted, stirring occasionally. Once the beeswax is melted, slowly add the almond oil or olive oil to the bowl. Continue to stir the mixture until the wax and oil are thoroughly combined. Remove the bowl from heat and allow it to cool slightly. Slowly add the distilled water while continuously whisking the mixture. If you're using rosewater, add it at this stage. Continue to whisk until the mixture starts to thicken and emulsify. For a pleasant fragrance, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil like lavender or chamomile. Stir well to incorporate the oils evenly. Once the cream has reached a smooth and thick consistency, transfer it into a clean glass jar. Let the cold cream cool completely before sealing the jar with a lid. Store your cold cream in a cool, dry place. It can last for up to a month if stored properly. As a cleanser, apply a small amount to your face and massage gently. Use a warm, damp cloth to wipe it off, removing dirt and makeup. As a moisturizer, apply a thin layer to your face after cleansing to lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and hydrated. Cold cream is a multi-purpose beauty staple that can be used as a cleanser, moisturizer, or even a face mask. It's perfect for all skin types, especially dry and sensitive skin. Plus, making it yourself ensures that you're using natural, chemical-free ingredients. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare recipes and beauty tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.